ngatho cia mwanya kuriwe muriri wa Kikuyu online media na ngonyite ogeni mthenya wa umuthi na tugiukite na rugano rukoretwo rugitrend muno thiini wa ngenda cia ukinyaniria na guhoka ni mukoretwo mukiona mundu ugwitwo Miss Kanyari ni magikoretwo muno magitrend matuoneti uria makiri na wendo Rish kamunge niwe tukiri haha ni akoretwo agitariria na nikio tumwethete niguo akorwo agitumenyithia niki giki kirathie na mbere gatagati wake na Pastor Akanyari nititagwo Nelly Digital na mwena uria ungi turi na Castro Media nigukorwo ngimuhekanya akorwo agitwariria tucoke twaranirie na Rish kamunge.
Yes, karibu sana nie getwo Timo Castro na ndimuhoyaga agikorwo urerorera video citu na nduri ra subscribe gakohoya subscribe na uhinye notification bell negetha tuki-upload video ugakorwo wi wa mbere na kwirorera na ta uguo Nelly akiuga twina the trending Rish kamunge na agikorwo nduonete to video tu tura trend gwiciria reke gukirera gakuhi haha ukione maundu maria turakiaririria. Karibu sana Rish.
Ndashokia gatho.
Yes. Agani urahitia we. Etwa rieru.
Ya wauga Miss, reke tumwete Mrs. No amenya Miss, mundu etaga Miss aketania na baba wao.
Okay.
Riu haha ni Mrs. Nona.
Kanyari.
Mrs. Kanyari mwenyewe. No nyende ugeithie andu umere witagwo atia na kwanza ukimere niki wikaga tutanathie riu rugano-ini ruu rwa the trending news.
Muriega eroreri jetagwo Rish kamunge kana marito ma kibadi Maria Wangari wa kamunge na ndi muhonoku Kristo ni mwathani thiini wa ngoro yakwa.
Hallelujah.
Ni ngoretwo gitrend. Yes. Ndwaraga andu nanja mabũrũri ma nanja we urenda guthie US ukenda guthie Canada ukenda guthie kuruta wira o haria hothe ungenda guthie mwena nanja ucio niguo wira wakwa. Yes.
Guthie nanja ni guthie wira kana ni guthie kubaris kana mumatwaraga mageke ate na kuunja
kuringana na visa ile ukwenda either urenda work visa urenda visitors visa business visa ciothe ona urenda passport jetha. Yes.
Na ti passport ici cietagio cukuru ye ukagoro mbica yake rego.
Ndroga passport cia guthie bũrũri wa nanja ukaunjethe.
Na amenya tene twetagio passport riu no igwe mundu twetagio passport cukuru tuke join form 1 riu no rigwo ni passport yo taringe he mundu tari wathie makirie ma hau ni passport iria mundu ahuthagira guthie bũrũri wa nanja ndugithie na kiria ati na ticket ta badi
niguo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Haya Nelly. The trending Rish is here. Hiyo nige kisha rajuka hau na niwe director witu muthi. No hena Rish na Kish. Kish ni ule wa muthoni wa kuroria ritwa. No ha twina Rish kamunge.
Yes. Rish kamunge riu ni twagiuka niguo tukiaraniria nawe na ngwihoka ni urakemenya ni ura trend muthenya wa umuthi.
Jokerie rucini ni ndira trend kundu guothe guy. Yes. But it's a good feeling. Digerira kiregera thire na mbere na mundu kwenda mundu atakiri mahitia
niguo
ngire muthaka keingende na tari uru kiona kia ngendo ni muire tu muthaka tari uru. That's it.
Ni ndirenda utucokie na thutha kuria wendo waku kuri Kanyari wambiriirie na niki giakorirwo gikuguciriria kuri
mostly ngoragwo TikTok koguo nani ndamuoneire TikTok ria kwaria mbere. Okay ni ndakimui riria gikaga thirite na tura tunyitirire TV anga tunywe mai niguo tugindo ire turenda but ndrokire kumuona TikTok age o clips icio cia kuri cirathiururuka ni akaga imwe na andu so I was like this man is handsome. Baby boy is cute. So I just fell in love. Atakiri mahitia kwenda mundu. So geka video yakwa ya mbere ndiamenya ati ni go trend giuga the only person turamisaga TikTok ni Kanyari because he is an entertainer. When a stress shako kumuthikireria tu you are good to go. And I shoot my shots.
And when you shoot that shot
ado matio yo domwe ni na Kanyari turi arata ti thaici ona ti tutinamenya kumenyana taici twari arata ginya mbere. So what I am doing now is just extending, giving him a comfort zone.
Haya ndiraiguire video ini yo ukimwira atiri nimekuwa nikikutafuta sana ginya ugatuma PA athia mwethe.
Yes.
Alafu na urakiuga mukiri arata wa mwethaga muri arata.
This is it. Onani ukiuka guku gwakwa wera-ini ri ti hindi ciothe ukuraga na ti hindi ciothe ti mundu angihura thimu hutakuoya nä ndä arutia wä ra na kwä andå arä a mandeithagia kå ruta wä ra koguo nä hakinyire handå ngäanjia kå hå rä ra PA wake ngä må ra you know what Kanyarĩ oka rä kä otangä mwä ra ndä kwenda kwaria nake because it's a better channel handå ha gå tinda ngä må hå ra na ndiramenya program yake å rä hana ona ira twä ka video yo ndiramenyaga atä live by the way ni ndirathire haria ndiramuhå rä ra thimå ndĩrahå rä ra PA wake tondũ ndiramenyaga we aingĩra live kuma kĩndũ thaa ithatũ cia ũtukũ gũthiĩ na mbere koguo nĩ kũmũhå rĩ ra rĩ ona ndĩraiguire erwo uyo ni Rish mwambie niko live nyina ndĩrahoya request hau niho ndĩrambatirio yes
wow
after we gukorwo ukimenya hihi wina wendo kuri Kanyarĩ ri na akimenya response yake ri did you expect response yo akoretwo agikuhe kwa ihinda riri?
A man acknowledging that you are beautiful is something. A man even acknowledging where he sees you're beautiful is something else.
Indronire
koguo ni mundu nake twarie tuma angiamenyeire koko ndastokete to an extent ginya ni ndonire he rimwe live akiuga lakini nimesikia sister yake akisema hawanitaki kwani mimi ni mbaya that means ameona mpaka clip ya Karomoura that went viral akisema you see
yeah.
So this man has also been stalking me and I love the feeling yes
how oraranageria na PA ni ndaiguire ukiuga ni wakoretwo kimusharia
yes
na agikorwo akublockete hihi ihinda rĩrĩa gukorwo akublockete no ari na alternatives ingĩ cia gukorwo ukimukinyira kuona ati we warumagirira wendo waku kuri
the funniest thing to kublock or blockirwo ni warajerire ali change number ni na bashe jirie koguo na mbere thaa icio ukoraga like araheana mostly gokuja agitumira ndobia ri iyo niyo ndari nayo koguo iyo namba ndaramihũthĩra na M-Pesa ateri koguo arahuthiraga na beki yes
okay
haya Rish ndĩraiguire mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Kanyarĩ ndĩraiguire ũkĩmwĩra atĩrĩrĩ nilisikia ukisema niko na matiti kubwa like augite video-inĩ ĩngĩ kana ĩyo ndĩrarĩ video ya mbere iria ũrathondekete kana Kanyarĩ
I don't think he muthenya Kanyarĩ anagira live akakugwetha I don't believe kunayo hata mara mingi utapata watu kwa comment section makimwira up Rish so ilijipa
after the live day tudoni hai hado turonire ginya Kanyarĩ acenjetie maitho
hando riri ndiye ni atia Rish uramwirire aratigirwo na smile muraikara for several seconds ame smile
igiuga atia the power of love
after live ni ragwendire riu arakuhe namba after gucenjia namba
okay I have it but did you know what happened after the live yes reka kinyia hariria muronire
kiria adegi mareyuria ni ona ni de wa umwe wa andu acio is this just content or it's ni wendo wama?
I am a content creator he's a pastor, he's a content creator sawa na dionaga thina we hado kana kwina thina content creator agenda mundu it might look odd because number one he has been married before right now he's not married I am young and told you that me for me it's genuine love you know whether itajipa whether haitajipa I shoot my shot and I felt good yes
koguo Kanyarĩ kwa ihinda rĩrĩ angenda kuga rĩu nĩ ũkorwo agĩkũhikia are you ready for this?
Very ready na ndĩmuhe mahatha
Wauga you are very ready video-inĩ ĩyo nĩ ndĩronire ũkĩra Kanyarĩ I am not a family person
yes
na ukiuga we watuire matu makwe wabe we therebia na kwanza hau ha milioni 4 okay nĩ tũgĩcoka hau kuringana na statement hiyo yaku ri tukona ta maybe you don't the relationship maybe you might want with Kanyarĩ is not a relationship it end up to marriage or what kind of a relationship do you want from him maybe
nejoya nawe one word but ugacemania na mundu agatuma ucenjio undu ucio wanauga ndigathie na ngari tondu no ukorwo wagite accident nayo ona ni ndauga ndikwenda kuhika but no ucemania na mundu uge I would want to see him daily no nyende kumuona gwakwa either wa ciana ciakwa you know when we are boarding flights going for vacations you see he changed me. At the time I just love being honest. I was not too much into family, but I want him to be family. Yes.
Wow.
So mimi siwezi vumilia kumuona ateniadi na bodoki. So tondrame no arienda kuhikania ri. Si kuja tu si ndoa ni kuvumiliana. Bas.
Wow, I see the following, the numbers you have pale TikTok. Over 400,000 followers. Na agikoro nduri urona ka video ka uthie ni ukuona to pieces to Rish kamunge kule TikTok. Over 400,000 followers. Mundu gwituka nyari ni hidi aigira TikTok. And he's very comfortable.
Yes.
Kuna adu dirona comment section age makiuga alikuja aka replace Chira because Chira was a very big name ikifika ni TikTok. How do you take Kanyare TikTok daishina entertainments and everything is doing?
Jugaga internet is a big space for everyone.
Yeah.
You cannot compete and you cannot replace. We lost Chira, may his soul rest in peace. No one can replace him. Yeah? What Kanyari is doing right now, hakuna mtu mwingine amewaifanya. So you just have to be unique in your own things. The way I market, because I'm one of the best marketers here in Kenya, being a brand, being an ambassador, anything, it's not how other people do it and they still get customers. Unaona? So even for Kanyari and Chira, I would not say that amekuja kumreplace. I'm just saying that amepata a platform where he can be who he is. Yes.
Wow.
Rish, niye goeta mwini wa gospel ginya twe thukuru. No rune dronire ni urarutire rwimbo rwa Kanyari ruria uretaga a project for my man. Turethere horo wa wendo kuri rwimbo ruru.
Imagine, it was so funny. Dauriria do, which is one of the best gifts iregehe Kanyari. And ado magiokana ideas mfanyia billboard.
Yeah,
mfanyia billboard.
600,000.
So a billboard is not 600,000.
But you mentioned that.
Yes, I did. You're in church, but it is not 600,000. So I was like, I would want something that is long lasting. So why don't I search for something in the next 10 years? And he really appreciated that song. Yes.
No koro kumudura twirara ndaigwite rwimbo rwa Kanyari rwa wendo ukimuhutirie
ndikoro kutia thaici asha ndikoro kutia thaici ni akinya haria YouTube ni akuona.
Okay.
Yes.
Aya ukugite tukiambiriria interview ugire you are saved. Na taregehe kuna andu haria makorago mekiria judges.
Yes.
Maikite low miaka 6 magacoka
low ya matwire
makauga iyo ti mitugo ya mundu muhonoku kuona uhoro wa social media. Na ni urainire mundu gwito Kanyari uguo twakiuga kiheo giki kya winire wambirie ri na winaga kana wanaina nyimbo cihana ate?
Mbire nyinete nyimbo cia kugoca Ngai. But the same Bible imenipea dere ya giria go praise mundu. The Bible says worship no other God but me. But that is not okay. You Castro koragwe mwega ni aheaga interview igimuhurira deda bisha. You see, I have been given that mandate. So what I have done was wrong. As long as my heart is content, I'm okay. No. Nedaumira kirathi kiria gia kuga andu makuga atia. Nedaumira kirathi kiria gia kuria. Do work on what you who will be affected. As long as I am happy and people close to me are happy, it is not affecting the other person from the other side. I am okay. Yes.
What are some of the reactions okoreto ukiamukira kuma maybe kore friends, the close friends that know you as a born again person, maybe kuma kore aciari kanitha-ini andu moete undu na njireriko?
Number 1, I don't respond. I will not respond. Niona wahura thimu tha icitike kuoera because I don't know what you want to tell me. Goshokera ugo dauga, as long as my heart is content, niko sawa. Nioko demokenu difatie, I'm just okay. I did what I did. I am happy. We had a conversation venye watu wengi walikuwa request your life na ilifanyika venye walikuwa wanataka ifanyike. Yes.
All right.
Mundu agikuona Rish, you are a very beautiful lady.
Thank you.
Nituronire haria ukira mundu gwito Kanyari ni ndiraugire nyambe njethe mbia no uragwita hau mamilioni 4-5 million, that is per month, eh? You are a lady.
Yes.
Hena andu maronire ka video kau reke tuge riu arume from time wekire video yo ri na ugo video yo ithiete viral ri hena arume mageretie ku reach out maybe magerie go change mind negetha utigane na kanyari ugiuke tondu ni marakiigwa horo wa milioni.
I don't know whether I'll share screenshots because today my PR ananiambia Rish huyu anasema ugache na kanyari anakutaka kanyari ni mzee gorone mudhugu gorone mudhugu gorore yake riereda. So let me be me. At the end of the day dikahikionia dwote I will decide to get married to whoever I feel like getting married ationa ni ria gau ati you know I don't want kanyari. It's not every relationship that leads to marriage. So let me enjoy it as it lasts. Yes.
Ukoretwo kionia kanyari wendo wa kukurie through TikTok.
Yes.
We want to know kama na hihi ni mushemanitie wakimwerethera wakimwonia wendo ria okiri naguo kurie kana bado.
I told you from back then kanyari has been my friend. Yes, dina muno mothe ndanathie ciongano gacemania nake ama to ciongano like crusades nini mimi mpaka church yake nimewaienda. So he is not someone new. Digirokire tunyajie kurant over someone that I do not know. So to hai time to hai kahida kanini maundu macio mothe no mugacoka hande mwire riu turathi muratu maitege cia yero na green na blue
dressing code reception igakorwo ni ramenya mutwaraga ni trust pin reception mugatwara murimo kana ni ugutubanga.
By the way, my dream country is also his dream country. It's Thailand. So we want to go to Thailand. Yes.
Tugeka hiki Thailand. Tugekere reception Germany. Utomo hiki. Mudo hau tuge Rish dakowe. Na ni wagitwerethera horo wa trust pin na ni turakigwa horo wa milioni 5 na 4 wanaume by the way mfanye job. Acha nitufanye kazi. Nilijua wakati niliona hiyo video nikasikia milioni 4 ciagwetwo nikajua hiyo in fact kama ungekuwa na simu kama yangu hii ingekuwa imezima. Namenya yaku ni edito. Haya hii tushoke hariri the trending video.
Yes.
Na the brand, the Rish Kamunge brand, how has it affected your brand video kaukara trend, either negatively or positively?
Trending is trending, whether positively, negatively. Going viral is going viral.
There's no bad publicity.
Hakuna bad publicity. Whether kitu ilifanyika haikufanyika, we cannot reverse time. We do not have power to reverse time. Hemo doramenye ile how na ni arenda muno kumenya who is Rish Kamunge. He mundu rajigwira ile hau na ni kwenda kumenya what does Rish Kamunge do. He mundu rajigwira geri uhoro wa mamilioni kana ke and then akozileza I would want to talk to these lady. So kuna wale walichukulia negatively and at the end of the day even if you try to justify yourself dogeshejo mundu atwete na dogeshejo mundu oy ndesha mundu ndio morie Rish Kamunge no akwire ni mutumia wa kanyari, which is not true. We are friends, you know. So I will not like talk more about it. This is how you're supposed to be thinking about this, the situation. This is what is happening. Kila modo reda weshiria kana kila modo reda wetekia like yes.
Rish, I have seen a lot of people body shaming you. Odoyori ni ndonete okigerera nginya kwa ihinda riri akanyari sana hindi no arario horo wa niendete. Tell us about it.
I think dira kinya hado igiota kwa horo wa body shaming. I'm still in therapy but I believe one day niga mota demwira you know what but tiodo igienda muratono mwa wa kwagerere utire mundu we yobire I believe right now no tugende muthaka no there is no hote kuva you know what Rish should deserve to be loved. Rish should deserve to have a good man which is not something that I would do. I mean ndo mama kiyo ateka hega shosho no wakire kuruta nyoba agenda kuruta moyo because I felt worthless no so I will not talk about body shaming right now but one day when I have the confidence to talk about it I'll talk about it.
All right.
Yes.
Ando marauga taringi mundu wa kumenya ihinda riri ni watwira uinaga kana ukoretwo wi muini wa nyimbo cia gutwara andu matuine kana gospel hutiria rwimbo rwekire wega muno ukaona imekubali mahutirie nigetha mamenye ugo urauga
uretago muthemba waku inago guoko gwatambũrũka kũhoreragia ũru wothe mũthugu ndĩũkue muoyo wakwa ũndĩkagĩra mũthiriri ngomwa kĩgũrũ ndorĩra harĩwe muoyo wakwa nĩ ũtharagwo ndũkanandige hĩndĩ no ya wĩthĩ wa ikonde kuona ndĩkĩruka kĩgerie gĩkahotana ona hĩndĩ ya kũrwo nĩ njũĩ ndũkandiga mũthemba waku ti wa gũte arĩa matwĩokete.
Wow, aye. That is a very nice song.
Kali sana. Ili trend, by the way.
Yes.
I remember even during the launch.
Yes.
Nituonete Sky.
Yes.
Uriya ni mwana wa Kanyari.
Yes.
Ari online. Which means that niarakorwo akiona hihi maundu maya marakorwo magithii na mbere. Miarire yothe irakorwo igithii na mbere. How are you taking this, because niagokorwo akiona what the dad is talking about and all that?
When it comes to children, I'll not talk. Kwaria. Na tu mwojohere tu todo ishi ni ciana. You know, they don't have to be dragged in what I'm doing. I have to be the mature one here. Whether I have anything to do with the dad or I don't have anything to do with the dad, wacha tu tafadhali interview sikuwe ni kuhusu watoto. Yes. Let children be children. She's an amazing girl. I have followed her. Kwanza the Tash 254 family. I love her dancing. She's a good child. Let her be. Yes.
That is very, very nice. Tushoke ha biashara. He mundu wi hau nie ngikuona you were very young and you're talking about the success and the business ideas that you have. Nitwari horo wa biashara ire uraruta na tukona trust pin. There are so many branches zenye ziko chini. Yeah. No where mundu have the ideas and everything. Tarigi mundu wi hau ndamenyaga ambie ko he ungi twiriga gwika igongona akiona mbia tukimuruta kanyeki-ini tukimuruta kanyeki-ini no nginya mbia iria akionire citiamuteithirie. Do people start there up kana mundu ambagia ate nigetha mundu wi hau tarigi na tofia tunini eciragie kuiga biashara angiambiriria ati
ndiye njaririe kamera iriku
ici cio no eno neyo main ya Castro Media
eno ihagatagati.
yeah.
The word is this.
Yeah.
It will be hard, but it is possible. The other thing I'll say is money is not the starter of ideas. Money is not the starter of progress. Money is not the starter of success. Head sure the Castro omothio rire utaingirite media ine ingekugura ile camera ngugurire microphone wajie undu ucio ni ungiagwire. But tondu wajirie handu thimu-ini ukigia idea ya mbere hustle up ugie camera nikio wira ucio gutura wi passion yaku na nikio wira ucio gutura rugamite. Koguo tiga gweterera umuthi no ngunengere milioni 1 oko ndubangite kana nduri wako wina kindu bangire ati riria nganyita milioni 1 oni go spend bia ni maratathi na ciumbukaga. But riria guko wina idea o hustle wone milioni 1 wira ucio ni urugamaga. Number 2, no jugio self discipline. Indo ciothe cienda discipline na kwĩĩtĩkia na gutigana na haraka. Maundu macio matatu, success will be on your way. Yes.
Ninyonete andu mwena wa TikTok makiuga that undu urathi na mbere gatagati waku na Kanyari might be your downfall or his downfall.
Yes.
What do you say about that?
No, none uga wa mundu tu uga wa Ngai. You know? People may not know, but I'm seeing his brand do good. I am seeing my brand do good. Moko la weko igure. So there is nothing utasema ati yake inaanguka yangu inapanda. It might affect in the future. But I'm still a baby. I am still a young girl. Mimi ni baby girl. My age imekubalisha nifanye vitu mbaya na nifanye vitu mzuri, like I mess up and I still grow.
Correct, yeah.
Yes. So whether I have done something wrong today, whether I've done something good, I believe in doing better tomorrow. Yes. Oko no ndirona horia eguthie yoete brand yakwa. Ona gikumura riu oke tweke ithuothe interview turinye nake na inyue. You know? Yes.
Kwanza no nyende muno please.
Twaranirie.
Ari nake ne.
Babe, we will be having an interview soon.
Yeah.
By the way, wewe ni gwenda guhe kanya umwariria through these cameras.
Yes.
Now pour out your love, pour out your heart.
mapenzi wewe.
Hey, this one. Prophet Dr. Victor Kanyari. Unanijua, naitwa Rish kamunge. You are my friend. You are my inspiration. You are my therapist. Hata kama naendanga therapy, you are a better therapist for me. I will still continue saying that nakupenda. Nakupenda sana. I will not listen to what people say. I'll go for what my heart wants. Whether it will not work out, whether it will work out, I love you so much. Yes.
Wow.
Don't you feel something, you know, in your heart?
I think nimelia kutosha. So this is a delightful moment. You know, even getting a platform. Ni watu wangapi wanaambiangwa na watu wao watu wanapendwa and yet watupatangi mpaka watu wakukuja. But just seeing like media is here to kuniambia Rish, kama ni ukweli sema ni ukweli, kama ni clout sema ni clout. I love you. Nakupenda and let's wish for the best. Yes.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
We wish for the best.
Yes. Hata mimi niko hapo. Yes.
Au neho tuli. Riu ndirenda waririe fan waku. Mundu wako we kuma kiambiriria, mundu inaga agatuka kiria ukamurathima na nyimbo ciaku. Umwaririe riu you are fan.
Gukwiro. Riria riothe uko bithi kana we iguru ririkana Ngai. Always remember God. Nere mone demera to hige wafici ciothe tuthie wetagwa tia haria na ikuru Heaven's Gate or tuthie twire Ngai kaundu. Never forget God. Number 2, tower anything that distracts you from success, be it family, be it your friends, anything that una feel ina shake peace yako itoe tu. And as I said, it's gonna be hard, but it is very possible. Yes, onaora ina dore ura trend na nyimbo ciaku ni njega. It will be hard, but siku moja itajipa, it will be possible. Yes.
Akaroboka inagwa trade ni ndenda inire Kanyari gaka. Ndathire kuri one nyamu mwendo agwetereire.
Hallelujah. Neli ni yagwa wendo ini.
I know.
Dio kana aria me thutha wa kamera mena kiuria. Rekiririe kana.
Aya, tukorekereria hau. No tutarikitie ri. Mwiroreri ni akeigwa guko ni kwa trust pin. Ko andu matwaragwo murimo. Ni by the way, in fact ndire ndathie. So you as a company modore tu ona kaba mudware nginye airport. Dakinya ugo mujokie. Why is cutting?
His battery is not working.
Fungua hapo. Gugaga riu nie mudware. Muginye tu hau airport. Nyone tu uyo ni bururi ungi. Alafu riu mojo.
Na manya na Uganda na bururi ungi. No go.
Asa direda East Africa. Direda East Africa. Kama ni Africa, twende Egypt. Apart from Egypt, like to the how Europe. Kwanza ni getoro tu how London. Mushoke modo ni how Fulham Road. Hado heta go Stamford Bridge. Chikale tu how dero le mufira wa Chelsea. Waigania nyinuke. Ni okokoro de sawa. Hallelujah. Ogo modo le reka udu ka mudo adu magwito trust pin. Yeah, negetha mudo ale. This is nedereda your response. Your response. Tukirekereria mudo gwito Rish. Ni thengio muno ni gwitikira kwaraniria na ithui. Guhoreire thimu na you didn't ask any question or jedire to just come. Kiria urenda ngwire ni ngukwira. We don't take it for granted. God bless you so much. Neli we na kaundu ungiongerera.
Ni tutingirikie no interview. Rish atainaire Kanyari. Ndathire kuri yo ni nyamu.
Aya. Dedication to Halava. Kanyari. Twende.
Instruments.
Yeah. Aya, shidi kadia lake. Oh, sawa.
So this is to my man, ama for my man. Dedaga kore one nyamo mwedwa gwetereire. Dedaga kore one nyamo mwedwa gwetereire. Gwetereire, gwetereire, mwedwa gwetereire, gwetereire. Detaga nyamo cia githaka mwedwa ritwa riaku. Ago no ina.
Niyo na kira kirangenia Rish. Neri ewe ndo ine gugukira.
No kwena intentions tafadhali. Take every other man, leave my
But
man
not
for me.
Kanyari.
Thengio muno mwiroreri wa Kikuyu online media tukurekereria hau muthenya wa muthi na nie nguhoyaga angikoro wiroragira video citu na nduri ura subscribe gakohoya subscribe na uhinye notification bell negetha tukiupload video gakorwo wa mbere na kwirorera nie ngeto Timo Castro nginya ihinda riu ringi
na ni ngeto ni Denjo kana ni digital na muthenya wa muthi tukwaranagirira na Mrs. Kanyari. Till
Bye
next
bye.
time. Bye bye. Rish ni ndramenya kwi andu aingi hihi kugerera kambuni yaku marakenda gukorwo makiaraniria nawe kwi andu marenda wira enda ngikuhe kanya gaka ukorwo gituhe namba kana ukimerethera uria mangikorwo makiaraniria nawe.
Alright, twina branch igire imwe Nairobi iwe ngi Naikuru. Nairobi niyo headquarter twe Biashara Plaza 5th floor room number 4. Ware mone hauga building area ikoragwo ina Lucy Natasha kanitha wake we haha iguru wakwa.
Wow.
Yes. Tukoragwo kwa 5th floor room number 4. Naikuru twe Tamo Plaza next to Mache Hardwares kana KU. Tukoragwo 4th floor. Ugithie kuru no shema na Madam Veronica, she will be of assistance. Wewe urenda guthie Canada, ukenda guthie US, ukenda guthie UK, ukenda guthie Europe. Ni turakuhe kanya. Karibu sana guku gwito Trust Pin. Ndukedira tondu nginya guku gwito hindi ciothe ugitunengera bia ciaku ni turi kindu gitagwo contract. Tiate na utunengera bia tukandika receipt guku gwito nituruta wira na agreements na contracts. Kuga ati nginya ungeimwo na menya visa ne tha cia Jehova ati ungeimwo we will apply for you again for free. So ne turenda ora ithu kuona ne turatithiriria andu itu mathie nanja magiturehere utonga guku Kenya. We ngenda gutuhurira thimu tuhurire na 0707 127099. Yes.
Social media handles.
Rish Kamunge, all my social media handles. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat zote.
Okay.
Yes.
Reach out Trust Pin Company tondona mugathe William Samoei Ruto ne raugire andu milioni imwe ni maretherwo njira ya guthie makaheo mawira kuria murimo kana nja wa bururi koguo ungibatara visa yaku ukaguko kwa Trust Pin.
Drona hare handikitwo Trust Pin. It's a yes to the world.
Yes.
Yeah.
Afungwe.
Tutafika hapo katikati.